Shut up and sit down.
Unity in Diversity speech. Speech on Unity in Diversity for students and children in English. Good morning, everyone. I would like to present a speech on Unity in Diversity. I hope you will all appreciate it. I love my country, India, which believes in the concept of unity in diversity. In our country, we welcome all the cultures, languages, religions, and people from different regions wholeheartedly. There are a total of 6 religions present in India. They are Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, and Jainism. All of these religions may not be followed by equal numbers of people, but they all are respected equally. There are different festivals in different religions. The Hindus celebrate many festivals which are related to various thoughts, worship of idols, and celebrations to spread happiness and love. During the time of festivities, all the people of different religions, cultures, and many more celebrate together. There are no discriminations made for participating in each other's happiness. Diwali and Holi are the most celebrated festivals in India. The whole country unites during this time, although they live in diverse places. This unity among all the people in this country shows our strength and our richness in culture. Each and everybody is individually respected and given importance. We all remain together as a team. During national events, we all participate as a team. We do not discriminate against one another based on religion, culture, or language. We represent each culture very proudly and we represent it together, that's showing our unity. Whenever cricket World Cups are going on, we unite as one whole country and cheer for our players' victory. Whenever we have won the Cricket World Cup, we have celebrated it being together. Being united as one nation, we are divided into 29 different states. But we use the same currency everywhere in our country. A common language, Hindi, is spoken among all the people of the country. We all stand united when we sing our national anthem. We are not considered by different religions or any other identities. We are considered together as Indians. Despite having different festivals belonging to different regions, we celebrate them together. Even from the Indian Army, Indian Navy, and Indian Air Force, the soldiers are selected from different regions, religions, cultures, and languages. But they fight together and protect us from our enemies. We have diverse cultures, languages. We pray to different forms of God in different ways and follow religious texts of different religions, which lead to attaining peace, and we represent these differences together and celebrate our unity. This unity in diversity in India has remained consistent from the time when we had to fight for our independence. This has made us strong. We have always remained together as one whole family, has always believed in unity. We Indians are like a giant tree that has many branches and leaves but has one trunk that connects us to our roots. The presence of such a vast number of cultures, languages, and religions proves the phrase unity in diversity. Thank you.